Welcome to the installation video for our PSB358. Here we have the new PSB polyurethane bushings with their sleeves having been removed. Remove the original rubber bushings from these arms and clean out the housing thoroughly. Lubricate the inner as well as the outer part of the bushing. And place the control arm assembly shaft as you see here. Knock the new PSB polyurethane bushes in with the rubber mallet, leaving the flange on the outside part of the arm. Once the bushings have been installed, you can also knock in the sleeves using a rubber mallet. Reuse the original washers and nuts from these original bushings and tighten as necessary. And there you have our fully installed PSB 358 bushes.